Hello beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very special topic, 14 amazing tips to help you be known as the woman who always smells good. These tips will make you smell irresistible all day long. We'll be covering everything from your diet to your hair care routine and even the fabrics you wear. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Remember, the key to smelling good isn't just about the perfume you wear. It's about a comprehensive approach to your overall hygiene and lifestyle. Let's jump into our first tip. Tip number 1 is all about maintaining a healthy diet. Imagine your body as a garden, thriving on the nutrients you feed it. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, spinach, and nuts can help keep your body smelling fresh. These nutrients combat harmful free radicals, ensuring your body's natural aroma stays balanced and pleasant. So, the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a good dose of antioxidants. After all, you are what you eat. Our second tip is mastering the art of layering. Of this as your personal scent symphony, each layer playing a unique note. Start with a fragrant shower gel, followed by a matching body lotion. Introduce a complimentary body spray before crowning your composition with your favorite perfume. For extra moisture, consider adding a body oil to your routine. Creates a long-lasting, unique scent that's all you. Not just about smelling good, it's about creating an olfactory signature that's as unique as you are. Moving on to tip number 3, it's all about hygiene. You see, a vital part of smelling like a dream is keeping the body clean. And how do we achieve this? By showering twice a day. Yes, you heard it right, twice is nice. Morning and evening showers keep your body fresh and smell-free, washing away the sweat and dirt accumulated throughout the day. Remember, a clean body is a canvas for your favorite scents to shine. Indeed, a clean body is a fresh-smelling body. Our fourth tip revolves around oral care. A sparkling smile is the best accessory anyone can wear. But let's not forget about the importance of fresh breath. It's essential to maintain good oral hygiene, and this includes a lesser-known tool, the tongue scraper. It helps to eliminate bacteria and keeps your breath fresh all day long. So add this to your routine and feel the difference. Never underestimate the power of a fresh breath. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Tip number 5 is about having a signature scent. Imagine walking into a room and leaving an unforgettable essence in the air, your own unique aroma that's distinctively you. Having a signature scent is not just about smelling good, it's about expressing yourself. It's a sensational way of telling a story about who you are without uttering a single word. So find that one fragrance that resonates with your personality and make it your signature. Remember, your scent is your personal brand. Moving on to tip number 6, it's all about hair care. Did you know that your scalp can produce unpleasant odors if not properly cared for? It's crucial to wash your hair every 4 to 5 days to keep your scalp healthy and fresh. This doesn't mean you should neglect it in between washes. A quick rinse can do wonders. This way, your hair not only looks good, but it also contributes to your overall scent. Remember, your hair is a part of your overall scent. Next up, tip number 7, is all about hydration and diet. Keeping our bodies well hydrated is vital for a fresh and clean scent. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and impurities that can contribute to unpleasant body odor. It's also worth noting that excessive alcohol and coffee consumption can alter your natural body smell, making it more intense. So remember to balance your beverage intake and prioritize hydration for a fresh, clean body smell. Don't forget that what you consume can affect your overall scent, so make wise choices for a fresh and appealing aroma. Our 8th tip is about intimate area care. In the pursuit of a dreamlike fragrance, it's crucial not to overlook personal hygiene. Shaving your intimate areas is one effective way to maintain freshness. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about preventing odor-causing bacteria from building up. Remember, every part of your body plays a role in your overall scent, so it's important to keep everything clean and fresh. A clean, intimate area equals a fresh body smell. Tip number 9 is about using scented products in your home and car. It's not just your body that needs to smell good, but also the spaces you occupy. Think about it. Your home and car are extensions of your personal environment. Scented candles, diffusers, or car fresheners can help keep these spaces smelling divine. Opt for scents that complement your signature scent. This not only enhances your personal aroma but also offers a consistently pleasant experience for your senses. Your environment contributes to your overall scent. Our 10th tip is about using a hair perfume. This unconventional yet effective method of smelling like a dream all day long is gaining popularity. Hair strands are excellent carriers of fragrance, and a good hair perfume can work wonders in maintaining a fresh, appealing scent. It's a simple step, just a spritz or two on your locks, and you're good to go. Remember, your hair isn't just your crowning glory. It's also a natural diffuser, spreading your chosen scent with every movement. Your hair is a scent diffuser. Moving on to tip number 11, always be prepared. It's essential to have a little pack of freshness with you. This could be a small bag containing a deodorant, a travel-size perfume, and a delightful scented hand cream. These items are your secret weapons for feeling and smelling fantastic all day long. They are especially useful for those unexpected moments when you need to freshen up. So remember, a little preparation goes a long way in maintaining that dreamy scent. Be ready to freshen up on the go. Tip number 12 is about taking care of your clothes. Just as you nourish your skin, your clothes too need a bit of TLC. Using a good fabric softener not only makes your clothes feel softer, but also leaves them smelling great. And remember, the chair is not a wardrobe. Regular washing is essential to keep your clothes and you smelling fresh. So, the rule of thumb here is, fresh clothes equal a fresh smell. Our 13th tip is about knowing the right points to spray your perfume. The secret to a long-lasting scent lies in targeting your pulse points. The warmth of these areas helps to diffuse the fragrance across your body, enhancing its presence. These points include your wrists, neck, behind the ears, inner elbows, and even behind the knees. And remember, don't rub your wrists together after spraying, as it can break down the fragrance. Apply wisely for a long-lasting scent. Our final tip, number 14, is about wearing the right fabrics. Fabrics play a significant role in how we smell. Natural fabrics like cotton, silk, and wool can enhance our body's natural scent, allowing our chosen perfumes to shine. On the other hand, synthetic materials might conflict with our scent or trap unpleasant odors. So next time you're shopping, consider not just the style, but also the fabric of your clothing. Choose your fabrics wisely to complement your scent. And there you have it, 14 tips to help you smell like a dream. From nourishing your body with a healthy diet, to mastering the art of fragrance layering and choosing the right fabrics. Remember, your scent is an extension of your personality, so let it shine. Thank you for spending these precious 8 minutes with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow beauty enthusiasts. Stay fresh and fabulous.